Need a reliable tool for electrical repair and thermal imaging? Check out the 256 by 192 pixels thermal camera from AliExpress. This compact infrared thermal imager connects directly to your Android smartphone via Type-C interface, making it easy to use anywhere. It offers a high-resolution infrared image of 256 by 192 pixels, with a wavelength range of 8 to 14 micrometers. The measuring temperature range goes from -15 degrees Celsius up to 550 degrees Celsius, perfect for detecting heat issues in electrical systems, engines, and more. The camera features a 56 by 42 degree field angle, a 25 Hz frame rate, and manual focusing for precise measurements. You can measure temperatures from 0.25 meters up to 5 meters, giving you flexibility for different tasks. This upgraded model, the HT-203U-i, supports advanced thermal imaging and is ideal for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. If you want a portable, accurate, and easy-to-use thermal camera, the HT-203U-i from AliExpress is the perfect choice.